Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to thank everybody for participating over the weekend in choosing what outfit I would wear this week for the Hacks videos. As the winner, you have the full onesie, so congratulations. Thank you to all of my friends that chose this for me. Appreciate it. This week's Hacks video. This was a tip or trick that came up in a recent online webinar between a bunch of certified and affiliate trainers with Xactware. And it is copying multiple items in a sketch and then being able to paste a specific item from that selection. So let me explain here. I'm going to come to room 2 first, and I'm going to hit Control-C on my keyboard to copy it. Then I'm going to use the lasso tool to grab both room 2 and 3 and hit Control-C. Boom. Then I'm going to use the lasso tool to select everything here, both rooms and the deck, and hit Control-C. Now, the international hotkey for pasting is Control-V. So I'm going to hit Control-V. And the first thing that comes up, that loads up on my cursor here, is in fact the last thing that I copied. But if I hit space here, it's going to go to the second to last thing I copied. If I hit space again, it'll go to the first thing I copied. And then I can keep using the space bar while in the sketch to cycle through the different things that I've copied. So if you've got a layout of a sketch that's similar, or you want to be repetitive and you want to be able to cycle through and paste multiple items over and over again so that you don't have to go to an item, copy, paste it. Go to a different item, copy and paste it. You don't have to do that. You can just copy one at a time the selections of your sketch that you'd want to be able to have available to you, such that when you hit Control-V, you can then cycle through and sketch and paste what you like. Hope this has been helpful. Please, if you could, follow us on Facebook. This is where everyone had the opportunity to vote on this outfit for this week. So if you could, find us on Facebook, give us a like, share this video out so people know about these hacks. Much appreciate all the love and support, and I will see you next week. Thank you.